129 have registered, but only 51 have come. I hope all will join today.
Yes, ma'am.
You are all ready with a book and a pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll continue the same number system. We'll continue the same number
Yes,
system
ma'am.
lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Today all the 3 English medium classes are together. I hope same thing applies for all the subjects, no? Science, social, all the 3 classes together, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
New experience, isn't it? Live class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one do you think convenient? Recorded lesson or live class?
Both are also convenient, ma'am.
Live,
But
ma'am.
on
Both are convenient.
time, ma'am.
Here one recording option is there. If you miss also, you can see again.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? If you want to learn again also, you can see the record.
Yes, ma'am.
It crossed the 71.
there, ma'am.
Yesterday I didn't do the lesson. Today, yesterday no math class, no.
Yes.
In the class timetable, see, no math class was there yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
71. 1 o'clock, 2 or 3 minutes are remaining, isn't it? All of you had your lunch?
No, ma'am.
Nicely.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Some of you have and some of you didn't have, isn't it? Okay. After the class you can have it, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Nowadays, sitting at home, eat nicely and sleep. That's the only 2 work you have, isn't it? No going anywhere.
No, ma'am.
You are not allowed to go anywhere, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Weekend curfew is there. Saturday, Sunday, we can't go out anywhere, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Do you think classes will start soon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In other districts, they open the classes now. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us hope in our district also situation improves and you come back to school, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
82,
Yes, ma'am.
129, 83. Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's exactly 1 o'clock. We will start our class. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am.
All of you put your mic in mute position.
Yes,
Mic
ma'am.
mute.
1 month.
Okay,
One is
ma'am.
there.
Okay. Welcome you all.
Mic one.
Mic mute. Mic mute. Welcome to first day live session of 9th standard maths number system. We already studied some of the terms related to number system. First, we studied about subsets of real numbers. There are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, they all come in real numbers. How to find the real number? If we draw a number line, right hand side all positive numbers, left hand side all negative numbers, middle 0, number line, you remember. All the points on the number line are natural numbers or whole numbers or rational numbers or irrational numbers or integers. Then we have shown irrational numbers also lie on the number line. For that one, we have located root 2, root 3, root 5 also fall on the number line. To show root 2, we have to draw only one right angle triangle. Base 1, height 1. Hypotenuse is right angle. Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is root 2. When you take it as radius, if you draw a semicircle, where the semicircle comes and touch the number line, that is root 2. To locate root 3, where it touches the number line, from there one more altitude has to be drawn. Take altitude 1, draw the second triangle, draw the second circle, semicircle, it is root 3. That we have understood. So root 2, root 3, root 5, all irrational numbers can be represented on the number line. Then we studied about addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. We solved few sums. Let us continue the same. Copy the next question. Add 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. How to read it? 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. In the last class, we understood root 3. If I write root 3, its order is square root. Square root means 2. Number written inside is called radicand. Not T, D. Radicand is number written inside 3. Root 2, order 2, radicand 3. Same type, another side, if you take root 3, here 5 root 3 is there. So they have to be written together. 5 root 3 add minus 3 root 3 means 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Let us write next step. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. All of you mute your mic. When I call your name only, you have to keep it on, otherwise keep it mute. 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. Everyone copy it in your notebook.
We should write that, ma'am.
Copy the question. Copy the question in your notebook. Copy the question in your notebook. Add 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. Some of you have not mute your mic. Put your mic mute.
Putted, ma'am. Mic on mantar. Nah, man. Kalau on mantar mantar.
Harshik, mute your mic. If I go on search, it takes time. Then I can't do my lesson. 101 students, if I go and check, it will take nearly 1-2 minutes. So put your mic mute. All of you mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone copy this question in your notebook. Add 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. Add means in between plus sign you have to write. Plus and minus is minus. Therefore, it will become minus 3 root 3. Now, root 3 turn together, root 2 turn together, you have to write. Next step, 3 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 3 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Now these two are like surds. These two are also like surds. Then you can take it as 3x plus x. What is the answer? 4x. You can write root 2 outside. Inside the bracket 3 plus 1. It will become 4. 4 into root 2. Then 5 minus 3. Outside number has to be subtracted. 5 minus 3. How much? 2. Therefore, its answer is root 2 into 3 plus 1 plus root 3 into 5 minus 3. Root 2 into 3 plus 1 plus root 3 into 5 minus 3. Let us write the last answer. 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So when we add 3 root 2, 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3, our answer is 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Let us move on to the second question. 7 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 6 root 5 minus 4 root 2. Everyone copy these questions and answers in your notebook. Same number system notes, continue it. 7 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 6 root 5 minus 4 root 2. Like irrational numbers have to be written together with the plus sign. 7 root 5 plus 3 root 2 plus 6 root 5 minus 4 root 2. 7 root 5 plus 6 root 5 plus 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2. Root 5 together, root 2 together. Now root 5 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket 7 plus 6. Root 2 outside the bracket. Inside 3 minus 4. 13 root 5. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 can be written, or without 1 also only root 2 can be written. So the last answer is 13 root 5 minus root 2. Now push. Put on the mic. Read the first question.
3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus
root 2
minus 3 root 3.
Okay, very good. Put your mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Sushan Rao. Sushan Rao. Put your mic on and read the first sentence of the answer.
3 root 2 plus 5 root
Yes.
3 plus 2
Yes.
root minus 3 root.
It is root 2 minus 3 root 3. Read it again.
Root 2 minus 3 root 3.
Next line read.
3 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3.
Very good. Put your mic off. Next, Shreya RG. Put your mic on and read the next line. 3 root 2.
3 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3.
Next line.
Root 3 root 2 3 plus 1 plus root 3 5 plus 3 5 minus 3.
Last answer.
4 root 2 plus 2 root 3.
I hope everyone copied the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes,
Anu Rachan. Anu Rachan. Read the next question.
7 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 6 root 5 minus 4 root 2.
Very good. Next, you put off the mic. Pratiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratiksha. Read the next line.
7 root 5 plus 3 root 2 plus 6 root 5 minus 4 root 2.
Okay, put off the mic. Pawan, you.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next line.
7 root 5 plus 6 root 5 plus 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2.
Next line.
5 root 7 plus 6 plus root 2 3 minus 4.
Root 5 into 7 plus 6. Read again. Read again. Pawan, you.
Root 5.
Read again. Root into.
Root 5 into 7 plus 6 into plus root 2 into 3 minus 3. 3 minus 4.
3 minus
4.
Now, whenever there is bracket, you should say into. Remember that one. Okay. What is the last answer?
13. 13
Uh,
root 5
uh,
minus root 2.
Very good. All of you answered well. I hope you all copied these questions. Now let us continue. Next, subtraction. Subtraction. Subtract. Subtract 7 root 3 from 10 root 3. Therefore, 10 root 3 should be written first, then minus 7 root 3. Now, shall we do directly? Outside
Okay,
number
ma'am.
has to be subtracted. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. 3 root 3. I hope everyone understood now. I don't write the bracket now. Directly we will subtract. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 from 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Read the question carefully. 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 from 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Therefore, first, which one has to be written? From. This should come first, isn't it? 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Then use bracket. 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Since it has negative sign, use bracket for the two terms. Now we will remove the bracket. 6 root 2 plus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 2 minus into minus plus 3 root 3. Is it clear to everyone? Minus into minus plus. Now, root 2 together, root 3 together. 6 root 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Shall we subtract directly? 6 minus 2. 4 root 2. 4 plus 3.
7 root 3.
4 plus 7 root
3.
Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do one more. One more. Eight root 5 plus 3 root 2 from 5 root 2 minus 3 root 5. Eight root 5 plus 3 root 2 from 5 root 2 minus 3 root 5. Shall I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
First I have to write 5 root 2 minus 3 root 5 minus inside the bracket 8 root 5 plus 3 root 2. 5 root 2 minus 3 root 5 minus 8 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus. Both will become minus. Minus 8 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Now root 2 together. 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 5 minus 8 root 5. 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 5 minus 8 root 5. Outside number minus outside number. 5 minus 3, 2 root 2. Both having negative. Add and give the same sign. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 11 with a negative sign. 2 root 2 minus 11 root 5. Everyone copied this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now one easy sum. Easy sum. Subtract root 5 from 4 root 5. Subtract root 5 from 4 root 5. Root 5 from 4 root 5. Which one has to be written first? 4 root 5 minus root 5. Children, will you please mute your mic? Mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
4 root 5 has to be written first. Root 5 has to be written next. Root 5 means 1 root 5. Nothing is written outside means 1 is there, you have to assume. Since there is 4, here is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then root 3 root 5. Everyone understood this answer?
Yes,
Addition
ma'am.
over, subtraction over. Now we will move on to multiplication. Multiplication. Multiply. Root 3 by 5 root 2. 2 root 3 by 5 root 2. When we are adding, order should be same, radicand should be same. But while multiplying, only order should be same. Square root means only square root. Cube root means cube root. Inside, number can change. Then, let us write 2 root 3 into 5 root 2. Multiply outside to outside, inside to inside. Multiply outside to outside, inside to inside. 2 into 5, then square root, inside that one, 3 into 2. Outside to outside, inside to inside. 2 into 5, 3 into 2. 10
10 root 6.
root 6. Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
sum.
Yes, ma'am.
2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by root 3. Here single surd, here also single surd. Here two terms multiplying by one term. Copied the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now instead of by we will multiply symbol we will use. I will write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one first. Root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. These two terms are written inside the bracket. Single surd we will write outside. Suppose we have 2 into a plus b. Suppose if you have 2 into a plus b, how do you multiply? 2 into a plus 2 into b, isn't it? 2 into a plus 2 into b. Same way,
3 root 6, ma'am.
2 root 5 into root 3 plus 3 root 2 into root 3. Write it again. Root 3 into 2 root 5 root 3 into 3 root 2. Here, whenever there is root 3 outside, no number written means you have to use 1 there. Outside coefficient, you have to take 1. Then outside number into outside number. 2 ones are 2. Square root 3 into 5. Outside number into outside number. Square root 3 into 2. So what is the last answer? 2 root 15 plus 3 root 6. Everyone copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let us copy the next question. 4 root 2 plus 3 root 5 by 2 root 3. 4 root 2 plus 3 root 5 by 2 root 3. Now use multiplication sign and write 2 root 3 inside the bracket 4 root 2 plus 3 root 5. Outside only one irrational number. Inside the bracket two irrational numbers separated by plus sign. Now, this one into first term plus this one into second term. 2 root 3 into 4 root 2, 2 root 3 into 3 root 5. Two root 3 into 4 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into 3 root 5. Everyone should copy all these sums in your notebook. After you come to class, we will check all your notes.
Done, ma'am.
Now, outside number into outside number. 2 4s are 8, 3 2s are
8 root 6.
6. 8 root 6. Next, 2 3s are 6. Inside how much?
15.
15.
15.
15. Very good. 15. Very good. I hope everyone understood these sums, isn't it? Now, we will take 2 terms. 4 terms or 2 terms. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and 5 root 2. Wait, I'll read. 3 root 2 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 and 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Suppose you have x plus y into a plus b, or 4 terms different. How do you multiply? X into a plus b plus y into a plus b now. X
Yes, ma'am.
into a plus b
Yes, ma'am.
plus y into a plus b, isn't it? First term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. Same way, let us write with the 2 brackets first. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Remove that and write both the terms inside the bracket. Now, which is the first term? 3 root 2. Which is the second bracket? The second bracket? 5 root 2 plus 4. Yeah, that has to be written together. 3 root 2 into 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Written it? Everyone wrote it? Yes, ma'am. Second term is remaining. Second term is remaining.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2 root 3 into second bracket 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3. First term into second bracket, second term into second bracket. Now, as earlier, this one into first term, this one into second term. Write it. 3 root 2 into 5 root 2. Into I will show one dot only. I don't write into marker. Plus 3 root 2 into 4 root 3. 3 root 2 into 5 root 2. 3 root 2 into 4 root 3. First bracket is over. Now second bracket, 2 root 3 into 5 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. There are 4 terms in the answer. Now multiply. Outside into outside. 3 5s are
15.
15.
15. Square root of 4.
4.
3 4s are 3 4s are
12.
12.
12.
2 3s are 12 root 6.
6.
Next, 2 5s are
10.
2 5s are
10.
10. 3 2s are
6.
6. 2 4s are
8.
8. Then root 9. Now, what is the answer for square root of 4?
Root 2.
Square root of only 2. Square root of 4 is
2, ma'am.
2. Square root of 9 is
3.
3.
3.
15 into 2.
30.
15 into 2, 30.
30.
Here also root 6, here also root 6. So we can add the outside terms.
Yes,
10
ma'am.
plus 12, 10
22.
plus 12,
22.
22 root 6. Then 8 into 3, 30. And here 24. 8 3s are 24. 30 plus 24, 54.
54 plus
Plus
22.
22 root 6. 54 plus 22 root 6. Have you understood today's sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prahlad.
Yes, ma'am.
Prahlad.
Yes, ma'am.
We will
Yes, ma'am.
read this question first. Read this question.
3 root 2 plus 2
Ah.
root 3 and
Ah,
5 root 2 plus 4 root 3.
very good. Next line.
3 root 2 plus 2
Ah.
root 3, 5
Ah.
root 2 plus 4 root 3.
Into. Whenever there is two brackets, you should say into. Continue.
Into 5 root
Into.
2 plus into 5 root 2 plus 4 root 3.
Enough. Put off your mic. Next, Anusha P.
I can't see your screen.
Anusha P.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you wrote these answers in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you wrote this answer in the notebook? Okay, now third line. Will you read again?
Yes, ma'am.
3 root 2. Read.
3 root 2 into 5 root 2
Yes.
plus 4 root 2 plus
4 root 3.
4 root 3 plus 2 root 3
Yes.
into 5 root 2
Yes.
4 root 3.
Plus 4 root 3. Plus sign have you wrote?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Arpita. Arpita. Next line, read.
3 root 2 into 5
Yes.
5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus
Arpita is, who is there, Arpita?
Yes,
Only one Arpita is there now.
5 root 2
Read again.
3 root 2 into 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2
Yes.
into 4
Yes.
root 3 plus 2 root
Yes.
3 into 5 root
Yes.
2 plus 2 root
Yes.
3 into 4 root 3.
Yes. Very good. Next, Advait G. Next answer, read. 15 square root of 4. Advait, have you copied in your notebook? I can't hear you, Advait. There is a network issue, I think. Samiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, put your mic mute. Samiksha, read this one answer. 15 root 4.
15 root 4 plus 12 root 6 plus 10 root 6
Yes.
plus 8
Yes.
root 9.
Root 4 means how much?
2.
Root 9 means how much?
3.
3. 15 into 2 is how much?
30.
8 into 3 how much?
24.
30 plus 24.
54.
Plus last answer?
22 root 20 root 22 root
Yes.
6.
Yes. Very good. I hope you all understood today's class. Revise these sums again. Close your books and try to solve these sums. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
With this, I'll end today's session. We will meet in tomorrow's class.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.